Hey, I'm Hannah, and today I'm visiting Walkertown Commuity Park, which is the best place in the area to host those big family gatherings and events. In addition to this massive picnic shelter, right next door is the playground where you can safely send the kids while the adults get lunch ready. This park is also host to tennis courts, baseball, and soccer fields, so you don't need to go far to enroll your kids in team sports. If you're a new family moving into this area, this is a great park to have access to ensure your kids grow up active and healthy.
If you live at the ridge at Summit Pointe, this park is only a short 13-minute drive from home. So for recreation, this park is close to home and is one great amenity. Nestled into the rolling hillside, the homes in the ridge at Summit Pointe feature 3 to 5 bedrooms with multiple floor plans and tons of great features, like stainless steel appliances and 2-car garages. This community is wonderfully located not far from downtown Winston-Salem, and is one of the closest new home communities to Winston-Salem's acclaimed Innovation Quarter. It's also just a short drive to University Parkway restaurants, shopping, and dining. Be sure to stop in and see this new community by Express Homes.